It wasn't cheesy.
That was like,
Ratliff.
I felt it right
Your
in
turn.
my heart organ.
Hey, yo, Ratliff, to the question, yo.
You with the blonde shirt. Blonde with the shirt.
The Marvel.
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 I didn't know what to say.
Go for it. Action. Chance, yo.
Action. Rolling.
I
actually call jumpers.
Oh yeah, so pants is your underwear, right? Oh, so tonight when I'm like, we're gonna dance out our pants.
Oh, sweet. Yo, you should change it to dancing out my trousers. Dancing out my trousers.
Remind me, I'm gonna try to remember to say that tonight.
That is weird. What else is weird? Do you guys say like? What do you say? See, I don't know. What?
Oh, we say English muffins.
And you guys just say
Fries.
Oh, yeah,
that's-
fries and
I know,
chips.
fries and chips.
I like that you guys say crisps.
Yeah, instead of chips.
Get the crisps!
What do you guys call English muffins?
That's what I was just saying that.
Oh.
Wait. What do you call French toast?
What? So many
Eggs and
different
bread?
options.
Eggs and bread. I have no idea what any of
Eggs and bread?
What? Wait, one
weird.
person. What do you say?
Eggy bread.
Egging bread.
Yeah, I got it.
Egging
Who
bread.
said that?
What does that even mean?
I heard just now from my in-ears, from a voice of a higher being, that
His conscience.
that they call Band-Aids plasters? That is
They call
weird.
erasers.
You guys are weird. You, all of
Y'all are
you.
weird.
Guys, listen to this one.
Weird.
This one. I got one.
Weird.
They call erasers rubbers.
Yeah, he doesn't need that.
You
He's
keep
the
on
weird
doing that
one.
strut. Okay, wait, now come back with your
Hey,
model
see,
walk.
He's
I
not
wanna
gonna
see your
no,
model
he's not
walk.
gonna come back till the show.
Model walk, there it is.
Oh,
Get it.
dang! That sounds
Very
very
nice.
nice right there, dude.
All right.
Are you a
Rock.
beaver? Cause damn.
Yeah, I'm a beaver.
Are you
You're
a beaver?
I'm a beaver.
Oh, okay.
And it's like, are you?
Another
Rocky,
question.
Rocky, next question.
Yes, with the love beanie. What's up? I said love. Loud? No, love. I saw love.
Ooh, sassy.
I can't hear
Just gotta crack a joke real quick.
Mr. Beaver.
Sorry.
All the country
Oh,
we went to
Birmingham yesterday was extremely
so
loud.
far. It was.
No
So,
joke.
It's
I
up.
think Okay, like top 3 loudest so far.
Toronto?
You guys might be loudest. I don't
Yeah,
know.
We don't know yet.
It depends. It
But-
depends on how good the show
But
goes.
so
tonight.
far, definitely Birmingham. Top 3, Birmingham. Tel Aviv was really loud.
Are we talking about Europe? and
Yeah, I'm
Middle
just talking about
East?
Europe.
Paris was loud.
Okay.
Paris
Oh,
was
Paris
loud.
is loud too,
Paris
yeah.
is good. So
Everyone's really
y'all,
loud, though.
y'all gotta step it up.
Where's the
Y'all wanna
place
be
where
in
the
top
where the
three, you know what I'm
roof
saying?
where the roof would line up? What was that place?
Oh, Belgium?
Belgium.
Yeah, Belgium was dope.
Anyone from Belgium? Oh, really? You know you're not.
Wait, seriously?
You guys are lying.
You're from Belgium.
I thought you were from France. Oh, near Belgium.
Oh, your neighbors. Yeah,
question.
yeah.
Yo, man, I just asking stuff. You know what I'm saying? I had another question. Oh yeah, you guys need to be like
Yeah.
uber loud tonight.